Alright, hello. I'm recording the second video of how to create a Bukkit server. This one will be explaining how to add plugins to your server. So I'm just gonna pull this in, and alright, so first thing, let's go to Bukkit forums. No. Alright, Bukkit forums. And we go to the Get Plugins section right here. And now you have all these different categories of plugins that you can get. And we can search them here, and it's in the All section, so this is showing all of the plugins. This is the easiest way to get plugins, probably, because it displays it a lot easier, but you can also kind of look them up on the internet. But so let's see, let's search Essentials, because that is a very good, that plugin has a lot of plugins and stuff added to it, so I'm going to get that. So click on Essentials and see, you get a bunch of information, and and this, of course, you have video, and the authors and all that. You want to, alright, so after you read over it and you want to know all this stuff, well, let's click the download button. It'll take us to this, and it'll probably display like a change log or something. So let's click on download again, and as you see, it's downloading the zip file. So open that up. You're probably gonna need I think WinRAR for this to make it easier. That's what I use, because it's used for plugins, or it's used for zip files like this, and makes them a little bit easier. But alright, so then we open up our server, put that on the side, and I'm just going to try and fit this in the window. Alright, so Bukkit makes it very easy to install these plugins. All you have to do, click on your plugins folder, select these, drag and drop. You're done. Back, you run your server, and it will give confirmation about that. You can see it's loading, and then right here it says Essentials, loading Essentials version 2.9.3, Essentials Chat, loading Essentials Chat version 2.9.3, Essentials Protect, loading Essentials Protect version 2.9.3, and as you see, and then here's another Essentials Spawn, loading Essentials Spawn version 2.9.3, and that's what we installed, and it gives you a little bit more stuff about it. After you're done with that, you can just click, you can enter stop into it, and it'll say disabling, saving world, saving players, saving chunks. Then you can just press any key to continue. Now, if you go into your plugins, you'll notice that a couple of files were created. Plugin metrics, I don't think you need to worry about too much. It's just something, yeah, just don't worry about it. But this Essentials thing, as you can see, there's a couple of folders in here. Warps, this is if you make warps to different places, it'll put that in there, and it'll put configuration things for warps and all that. Essentials Protect, that's a database. The items, that's a database for the selling stuff, because Essentials has a like money system, kind of. This is just, I think, an information file about the upgrades that are done, and then worth, I think. Yeah, this will show you how much stuff is worth. So this config file, this is the whole configuration for this, and as you can kind of see, there's a ton of configuration. But if you read through it, they make it really simple for you, and yeah. So, like, I mean, it's really easy. Player name If not set to that, yeah, announce format. Alright, so with that, for the configuration files, you're probably going to see a bunch of these special characters right here. That means that the thing's not going to read that. So it won't read that sentence, but since this doesn't have that in front of it, this is the announce thing. So like when someone joins your server, it'll say welcome display name, and that just means that it'll display the name of the player to the server. And there's kit tools, there's kits, all sorts of stuff added in this, so you can mess around with the configuration. But that's pretty much it for the plugins. Some plugins will do some other stuff. If you want to get groups on your server, like if you've gotten on servers and people have like owner or members rank in front of their name, you want to get to permissions or group plugin. Those are a little bit harder because you have to do a lot of configuration for those, and you have to give them permissions and stuff. I might make a tutorial about that later. I'm not too good about that, but basically that's how you install plugins. It installs it in there, and you just run your server, and it will do all that, and you can see that it's enabling. It'll print that it's enabling all these, and it'll print that it's done and all that. Stop. And that's the easiest way to stop it. But anyway, if you have any questions or comments, just put it in the comments underneath. I'll put the link to Bukkit forums and essentials in the description. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.